Good afternoon. My name is Rory Walker, and my service learning project took place at Bayfield Assisted Living and Memory Care. I created a fundraiser to brighten up the mood of our facility. My fundraiser was for just $1 a day. Staff members could wear any scrub top of their choosing instead of our basic royal blue uniforms. All the proceeds would go to the Alzheimer's Association. This fundraiser took place for the whole month of June because June is Brain Awareness Month. This allows staff to take a break from the dress code and even brightens the moods of the residents. The residents really enjoyed seeing all the different colors, scrub tops, and personalities shine. Bayfield also partakes in a walk to end Alzheimer's. My fundraiser added to our donation total for Bayfield to be recognized even more in the walk. When the walk takes place, all proceeds go to the Alzheimer's Association. The cultural discipline that relates to my service learning project is psychology. My project relates to psychology because the residents' emotions were often boosted because of the brightening of colors into memory care unit. Staff members were also in a better mood because they could wear a scrub top of their choosing, which is often enjoyable and sometimes even more comfortable. In this project, I learned that hosting a fundraiser was way more time-consuming and stressful than I expected. I was very grateful in the outcome and support of this fundraiser. As a team, we raised over $100 for the Alzheimer's Association, but as I began to think about it, we could have done better. All in all, I was very grateful for this experience to host a fundraiser as my service learning project, the learning opportunities, and the money that we raised for the association. In the future, I hope that I can host more fundraisers to raise money and support a disease that means so much to me. And here are my references.